สวัสดีค่ะวันนี้เราจะทำสับปะรด
ค่ะทำกับอะไรคะ
ทำกับช็อกโกแลต
ไหนคะโชว์ทุกคนค่ะช็อกโกแลตเป็นแบบไหนคะอ่า it's a chocolate ball right
เย้
okay so you're gonna stick at the bowl like this right you have done already with mommy
เย้
right this is look very beautiful see very beautiful now you haven't finished yet so we wanna finish the rest okay okay now let's start with put on some glue okay okay give me the ball first give me the chalk ball
ช็อกโก
chalk ball like this
ช็อกโก
หงายหงายหงาย chalk ball be careful okay okay be careful your hand is hot like this right and then you stick all right like that very smart
like this
okay perfect that's how you do and you have that too how you squeeze it Ew. Ew. What is this called
pineapple
right what color is that
green and yellow
green and yellow perfect all right bye bye everybody
บ๊ายบายวันนี้เราสนุกกันไหม